So got this PS2 Slim here, and there's no power at all. Just tested on the jack here for 8.5 volts on that pin, and there's nothing at all. The fuse is okay, and so yeah, first I'm just going to try to reflow the solder. Don't think it's going to work. I think there's something wrong with this jack. It doesn't really seem to be in there kind of properly, and I think it's the ground pins in there. This is a good one. Are not making contact maybe, so I think that's the problem. And I guess I'll just replace the jack if that's the case. Can't even see them, can you? So yeah, but I'm going to try to reflow the solder first. So one, two, three. Okay, so we'll try that out now. Okay, so turn on the power and nothing. No red light, so I'm going to replace the jack. Got a spare board here somewhere, so I'm just going to take the jack out of that, and that definitely doesn't sit in there right. So yeah, so I just got this jack out of the scrap board, and I found the best way was to bridge all of these pads with solder and then just heat the solder up all at once and pull out the jack. I'll show you on the other board in a minute. Just going to bridge the solder so it's all joined together. There we go, and then just pull this out. Easy way to do it, and then we'll just clean up the pads with some solder wick. And probably in the way. Sweet. So that's our bad one. Now we'll put this good one in. Just take the excess solder off this pin. It's a bit too much solder. Okay, so now we're just going to solder in the jack. and we'll test it out, I guess. Okay, moment of truth. There we go. Fixed. Perfect.